Hello everybody and welcome to another episode of the Supercar Diaries. Today we're on the border between the Netherlands and Germany, so to say, at VDM Cars. And we're going to see what Leroy and the gang are doing over here. But as we arrive, we notice that they've got MC20 over here in a lovely blue, and we love this car. If you want to see, we don't love this car, but yeah, of course we do, of course. But I'm not going to elaborate on it because we have got that car on the channel. So if you want to see that video, click on this link over here. But come and look at this. I said to Maurice when I saw this car, I was like, come on, can't we drive this? Can't we drive this today? Because it's fitted with a Novitec exhaust system and with a full carbon package. You can see that, or even with that camera, we can see this lovely Novitec front lip in carbon fiber, the side skirt over here, moving towards the back. Come and check this out. This is the wing that pops up at the back to give you some aero. And then here we've got these carbon parts as well as the rear lap diffuser. And then it's fitted with a Novitec exhaust system, which is the transformative power. Enough said, let's go in and see if we can find Leroy and have a look at the shop. Leroy!
Hi, Bjorn, welcome.
Thank you so much, thanks for having us. You have got some exciting cars for us. Okay. Where do we start?
Mostly Novitecs.
Mostly Novitec. Half the garage is just full of Novitecs. 3 of them N-Largos. That's brilliant. Leroy, tell me a little bit about VDM Cars. What makes you guys special?
We sell mostly expensive and exclusive cars, but not just exclusive. We have that extra special thing like the Novitec, the other tuners cars. That's what makes us different from the rest, because we have the cars that not everybody else has.
If somebody comes in here and says like, I really want to have a golden SVJ, then you say, have a seat, let me make a couple of phone calls.
We arrange everything what the customer wants.
Okay.
Whether it's a bright pink Ferrari or a purplish Porsche, we can arrange everything.
And this is across borders as well? Is it just Europe?
No, worldwide. We ship worldwide, we deliver worldwide, we do everything.
When you come in, it's like VDMs over there and the building's very long, so I presume there has to be a lot more over there. But let's maybe let's have a quick look here just to show you guys. Okay, we'll probably go into these cars a little bit more in depth, because as far as I can remember, we're actually going to be driving these cars as well, right?
We're going to drive some of these cars.
So here we go, SF90 and a beautiful matte white. That is so beautiful. The F8 N-Largo. Love the color combination with the rims. This car needs no explanation or introduction whatsoever. Oh, this is probably one of the most exciting cars, I think, for us junkies on the Supercar Diaries channel, because it's a GTS N-Largo, which basically marries induction with exhaust sound, 6.5 liter, naturally aspirated, 9,000 RPMs, V12, and the fact that you have no roof. Let's not go into that with more detail. Let's have a look at the rest of the shop. Got to point just to this very briefly. I mean, to see 2 918s next to each other like this is something special. This seems to be the sort of SUV segment, apart from this, of course. But
we have the tallest cars in the back, so it's the 1 of 40, first 40, 4x4 squared. You see this G63.
The dimensions of this is something that Maurice, just from the sheer size of it, would probably fit. Yeah, it would fit. You said that. I would have said would like. He's grinning. Woo! Wow, that area has a certain kind of vibe and a feel to it, and you come in here and it's completely different. I think if you look with the camera at the sort of natural wooden palette background, and then you've got these gorgeous cars standing a sack of nuts. So what are these? Are we looking at, come to me baby.
Most of them are for sale. Some are client cars because we do storage for our clients.
So storage for clients, that means if the client is from overseas, wants to have a supercar here to come and flex on the Autobahn and then leave again, then this is where
they can store it here and pick it up.
Do you offer any additional services, like the car gets detailed or PPF or?
Like I said, whatever the clients
Really?
want. If he wants it get detailed, it gets detailed. If he wants it get flown over to Hawaii, we flow it over to Hawaii.
We're in the wrong business, man. This is something special. I see a couple of cars in here that just flip my mind. But what we've got down here is exceptional. How do you personally like the 296?
People say it's a V6 in a Ferrari, but I drove one by myself and I think it's a very good car.
Yes.
It's really quick.
How do you like the sound?
For a V6, it's good.
Yeah?
It's not a V8 or a V12, yeah, but it's good.
I keep not having my phone with me at these moments, but I'd like to play you the sound of the Novitec exhaust on a 296. It is otherworldly. Lovely spec with the green. That's a bit wild. It's something different. This is quite something. Maybe you guys let me know down in the comments what you think and how you like this. Different. Yeah. Third one's lucky. Fourth one, you got 4 of these in here. That's just, it's plain, but it's gorgeous. And of course, this looks stunning. Lovely combination. We had that one in the video. As a matter of fact, we filmed with another one yesterday, 296 GTB Fiorano package, similar to this, except this is in gray and lovely NF10s over here. Let me know what you think about the color spectrum, and also a very good example. I'll blend in a picture here where you can see the difference between the NF10s on this car with the sport suspension. And of course here we just, what's behind this wall?
Behind this wall we have a tax-free hall where we can deliver cars tax-free, and that's something I would have liked to show you, but I unfortunately can't.
So just explain a little bit, because we can't show that area, but just explain so those viewing can understand what part of the business is that.
Yeah, like I said, we can sell them tax-free. So if you have a business from out of Europe or something, you can buy a car tax-free from us and we can ship it to you.
And for people that are obviously not able to come here to this location to see the cars, what is the best way for them to have a look at what you've got available?
They can call us, they can text us, and we can provide them with any material they want. And if they are really interested, we can arrange something that they come here or we come to them with the car. Okay,
nice. So somebody wants to buy a special car, wants to test drive it, can't come here, you go there with the car.
Yes.
Website?
VDMcars.com.
Instagram?
VDMcars.
There, you got it. Anyways, that's it for the moment for what we have to show you in this showroom. You guys have heard all the great information about what is available here at VDM. Also the services. I think the cars is one thing, but the services that come with these cars, and especially with the guys at VDM, do here. So you can really source a great car. If you don't yet know where to find one, they can help you with that, and it is a global situation. So if you want to see those things, then check out their social media and their website. Or you can follow us as well, me personally, Beyond the Cork, Novitec Group on TikTok and Instagram, or subscribe to our YouTube channel. You happy? You love me? Yeah, there we go. All right, see you guys in the next video. Ciao.